Brian, this year's ballot was reviewed by 571 voters, and we have not seen results like this in 15 years. The writers elected 3 deserving candidates, meaning on July 27th in Cooperstown, we will have 6 living inductees for the first time since 1971. Our first new Hall of Famer totaled 355 wins, good for 8th all-time. He won 4 Cy Youngs and a record 18 Gold Gloves. Quite simply, he was Picasso on the mound. Greg Maddux, welcome to Cooperstown and the game's finest starting rotation. It's only fitting that this man will rejoin Greg in Cooperstown. They pitched in 10 seasons together in Atlanta. They were born 20 days apart and are the first pair of long-standing rotation mates to be elected together since Eddie Plank and Rube Waddell in 1946. His 305 wins are 4th all-time among left-handed pitchers. He won a pair of Cy Youngs, was a 10-time All-Star, and the bigger the game, the better he pitched. Tom Glavine, welcome to the Hall of Fame. And our final electee consistently combined power and average like very few. He's the only player in history to string together 7 consecutive seasons with at least 20 home runs, 100 RBIs, 100 walks, and a 300 batting average. He won back-to-back MVPs, was a 5-time All-Star, hit .301 lifetime, and his 521 home runs matched Ted Williams and Willie McCovey for 18th all-time. The 6th and final member of the Hall of Fame class of 2014, Frank Thomas. Welcome to Cooperstown. Brian?
Jeff, thank you so much.